friends, you all are going to the school, aren't you? Today I am going to tell something about my Monday school journey. I start my school journey at 6:30 a.m. with my father. I reached the main road and I saw various types of people, students, teachers and staff waiting for bus. My friend Freya also was waiting to the school bus. She also came with us, our vehicle. On my way to school, I saw the elephant are going to the Kandi Perahera and we saw farmers are going to the paddy field. At the Thiliagona junction, we saw bike accident. Pira rider was a school girl. We saw they are injured and we took them into the hospital in our vehicle. Soon after, we reached the school bit of late. Teacher start lesson and explain her the incident.